I'm currently a revenue officer within the Small Business Self-Employed Division of the Internal Revenue Service. The requirements for a revenue officer position is a 4-year degree with no specific major. The day that a revenue officer has changes from one day to the next. You're out there meeting taxpayers at their residences, at their places of business. You're conducting interviews on taxpayers. You're investigating their assets. You're out there interviewing third parties looking for assets that possibly the taxpayer didn't disclose to you. The Internal Revenue Service is a wonderful place to work. It's got great benefits as far as leave. Before I was a revenue officer, I was an auditor for a state government agency. I worked in an office. I had minimal contact with people outside the office, and I was very bored at the job. Within 2 years of that job, I was looking for something more exciting, something that I could feel fulfilled in doing. And so I saw the announcement for the revenue officer position, and I applied for it. The revenue officer job can be equated to being an investigator because you're out there investigating people's assets. As a revenue officer, when you come onto the Internal Revenue Service, your training itself lasts a year. However, that is not all classroom training. It's on-the-job training. I'm representing the government. I'm out there trying to relay to the taxpayers that aren't abiding by the laws that they have a responsibility as well. They have a responsibility to pay their taxes and file their returns.